All student, UPSC aspirant, English medium student. Thanks for joining me once again. I remind you, in the last class, chapter 10th, Traders, King and Pilgrims. So, you all student, today's class, chapter 10th, questions with answer. So, you all student, look at the board. UPSC NCERT History, 6 to 12, English medium preparation, English medium student. Topic chapter 10, Traders, Kings and Pilgrims. Questions with answer. Let's recall. First questions number match the following. First, Muvendar. E options E, Chol, Chairs and Pandyas. Second, Lords of the Dachina Panth. Dachina Panth option number 3, Satvahan rulers. And 3, Ashwaghosh. Ashwaghosh option number B is right. Options Buddha Charitra. Fourth, Buddhist. Option number A, Mahayana Buddhism. And last, fifth, Huansung option number D right. Chinese pilgrims. So second questions, why did kings want to control the Silk Route? Answer, kings wanted to control the Silk Route because they wanted to collect taxes and receive tributes and gifts bought by the traders traveling along the route. And third questions, what kings of evidence to evidence do historians use to find out about trade and trade routes? Answer, the historians use the following evidence to find out about trade and trade routes from the literature of the period, like Sangam poems, and Sangam literature from the objects like poetry, bouts and plates found from several archaeological sites. Questions number 4, what were the main features of bhakti? Answer, the main features of bhakti are: first, a loving relationship between a devotee and his personal god. Second, bhakti emphasized devotions and individual worship of a god or goddess rather than performance of elaborate sacrifices. And third, discaring of any discrimination based on gender, caste or creed. And questions number 5, discuss the reasons. Let's discuss questions number 5, discuss the reason why the Chinese pilgrims come to India. Answer, the Chinese pilgrims come to India to visit palaces associated with the life and teaching of the Buddha, as well as famous monasteries. They proclaimed Buddhist religious books. Also, they carried some books back with them. Questions number 6, why do you think ordinary people were attached to bhakti? Answer, the bhakti movement gave freedom of choice to ordinary people. They could worship any god by any method we said. There was no need for elaborate rituals. The temples was no longer than only palaces of worship. Eraser rules attached people to bhakti. Moreover, bhakti was beyond caste and varna boundaries. So let's do next questions. You all student themselves to write and think about. So my points, questions number 7. Let's do all students themselves. So list 5 things that you buy from the market. Which of these are made in the city village in which you live, and which are bought by traders from other areas? So my points, the list of 5 things we bought from the markets. First, books used by a student for reading and others. Second, notebooks used by students for writing in others. Third, food again grow in village. Fourth, vegetables grow in village. And last 5, garments made in cities. And 8 questions. Let's do you all students themselves. So my points, questions number 8 hint. There are several major pilgrim images performed by people in India today. Find out about any one of them and go on the pilgrim, men, women or children. How long does it take? How do people travel? What do they take with them? What do they do when they reach the holy palaces? Do they bring anything back them? So my points. My points. Questions number 8. Amarnath Yatra is one of the most arduous journey undertaken by the pilgrims. It is a sacred place for the Hindus. Amarnath in Himalayas has natural shivling made of ice. The journey is undertaken by people of all ages. It takes about 15 days from Delhi. The journey starts in the month of August. Part of the journey is covered by train, other part by foot and riding on animals. On animals, the security forces have to protect the pilgrims, carry offering, and after bathing they offer their prayers. They start on the return journey. Very often pilgrims bring prasad, which is distribute among the people back home. So you all student, till then, bye bye, take care. Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe and share. So today